As long as you leave a gap underneath your brows, you're good to go. And the easiest way to create any eye makeup look is to use a shadow at least one shade lighter than your skin tone, a mid-tone shade, and then a shadow at least one shade darker than your skin tone. Your mid-tone is actually the most important and it can be a little tricky to pick, so I actually recommend using your favorite nude lipstick as a guide. If it looks great on your lips, chances are it'll work in your crease too. So just use a corresponding eyeshadow to match it. We're going to start off with our mid-tone, so choose whatever works for you, and we're using a blending brush to start with. This is anything with a fluffy finish. We're going to start this in the crease of the eye. So apply this from the outer corner, working over and back above the lid. Making sure to leave a gap just underneath the brow bone. And also remember to keep your eyes open. This will help you figure out the shape that you're creating. For hooded eyes, this is a great way to camouflage any hoodedness, as it almost contours the hoodedness away. If you don't know where to stop and start your eyeshadows, use your brow, edge of your eye, and edge of your nose as a guide and blend in from this point. As long as you're blending in, it will complement your eye shape. And this area is where we've applied our mid-tone. We can now move on to contour. Your contour shade is at least one shade darker than your skin tone, but can be anywhere up to a black shade. We're going to apply it with that same brush and keep this on the outer lid and into the deep part of the crease. For a more precise application, squash down your fluffy brush and get it deep in that crease. This will prevent you from bringing your contour up too high, which is a very beginner mistake to make.